Hello friends, my name is Naimuddin Khan. I am a professional mechanical engineer with MBA in operations management and 25 plus years of practical industry experience in managing different kinds products manufacturing operations. My today video is related to production and operation management, which is very much practical and easy to understand. This video is very much informative and helpful for students and working professionals. So let us start. Production management is the field of study that deals with planning, organizing, controlling and directing the production activities of the organization. Production management refers to the management of activities related to the production of goods. It deals with the conversion of raw materials into finished products and also with determining the quality of the finished good. Its primary objective is to produce goods which are of the right quality, right quantity and produced at the right time with minimum cost. The importance of production management for an organization is as follows. It helps the organization to achieve its production objectives. It helps in maintaining organization goodwill, reputation and image in the market through right product and right quality product delivery at right time and at right cost. It introduces new products in the market, that is new product development. It ensures all production resources are used optimally, that is best use of material, best use of machines, best use of space available, best use of manpower, best use of time, best use of methods and IT resources, etc. Main production types are of three. Number one is the job production. For example, manufacturing steel structure parts for an infrastructure project or tools and dies manufacturing, etc. Second type is batch production. For example, a bakery that produces a batch of 500 biscuits at a time. Another example of batch production is medicines manufacturing, which is also in batches, and so many others similar type. Third type of production is mass production. So for example, a factory that produces cars on a continuous flow production line. Production management elements include the following function of production. Number one, management accounting, which includes the numerical analysis of business processes like expenses of raw materials, manpower, consumable, etc. Second is PPC and scheduling, which means the production planning and control and scheduling of production. Third is inventory management, the management of inventory, which include inputs and outputs, meaning the input, for example, raw material, and output, the finished goods. Next is quality control, the process of detecting and correcting mistakes. It is post-production activity, for example, measuring diameter of a component after machining or measuring dry film thickness of paint after painting, etc. Next is quality assurance. It is pre-production activity. For example, calibration of measuring instruments, so that these measuring instruments should provide a correct reading. Then calibration of machines and fixtures, preparation of work instructions, etc. Production management elements. Next point is efficiency. This is also the function of production, that eliminating of waste at the front of labor. For example, there should not be the over manpower or there should not be the underutilization of manpower. Similarly, efficiency at the front of using of material, that how efficiently material can be used without wastage of material. Then energy should be conserved and optimum level of energy should be used only. And of course, time frame. Time is very crucial, that time should be utilized properly. Next element is automation. For example, use of robot instead of conventional methods, use of CNC machines, use of conveyor in material transportation instead of manual transportation. And next element is compliance. There are so many compliance in the plant. For example, labor laws, safety, compliance related to effluent treatment plants and sewerage treatment plants, pollution, etc. And then final element of production is the sustainability. That is, whatever the function are there of production, there are so many. Here in this video I have explained only limited. So many other functions are there of production management. So these should be sustainable. All have to be managed on routine basis. It should not be happen that once they are managed or work has been done over the some element, then this is stopped. So this should be sustainable. Production function pictorial view has been shown here. So this is self-explanatory, that selecting a product design and product, production process selection, selecting right production capacity, choosing a right location for production, production planning and control, controlling cost and quality, inventory control, maintenance and replacement of machines. Now is the operation management. Operation management is the field of study that deals with supervision, design and planning of business operations. Operations management is a step ahead of production management. The main objective of operation management is to enhance the quality of business operations. It is delivery focused, which means the emphasis is on successful turning inputs into outputs in the most efficient manner. Operation management involves the administration of production, manufacturing and provision of services in an organization. It covers supply chain management, for example, purchase plan, store management, dispatch, after sale service, etc. Operation management is focused more on process and how they can be optimized so that there is minimum wastage of available resources. For example, switching over from manual welding to robotic welding, switching over of material transportation from hand trolleys to conveyors. So it means this operation management includes to think over the value addition. Operation management elements are planning and implementing manufacturing plants. For example, extension of present plant or new plant setup. Managing project production, for example, commercial operations of new projects. Planning information system, for example, inventory software implementation or implementation of ERP. And next is helping to design and develop products and services in coordination with sales, that according to the market requirement or sales requirement, an operation manager or operation management function decide or help for designing and developing new products. Operation management elements are managing inventory through the supply chain, managing delivery to customers in a timely manner, optimizing quality control, for example, work instructions implementation, better method of measurement, like switching from conventional to coordinate measuring machines. Operation function pictorial, this is also self-explanatory. So this includes different functions like maintenance, purchasing, scheduling, inventory management, layout of facilities, process and system performance, just in time, material requirement planning, quality, forecasting and location strategies, etc. Difference between production and operation management. Production management is about managing activities related to production only, but operation management is about the management of overall business operations, which includes production and pre-production and post-production stages. Production management found in enterprises where production is undertaken, but operation management also found in places like banks, hospitals, companies, BPOs, etc., which are providing main services. Objective of production management is to produce right quality goods in right quantity at right time and at least cost. But objective of operation management is to utilize resources for all other functions, including production function, to the extent possible so as to satisfy customer wants. Production function is managed by production manager, but operation function is managed by operation manager. All the best.